Hello everyone. Welcome to another class of pronunciation lesson series in which you will learn how to clearly and correctly pronounce each of the 500 most frequently used words in the English language by learning 10 words every day. So the first word today is his. If you look at the spellings of this word, it's H-I-S, but the ending sound is Z, his. You can see I've typed this word in the search box of online in Cambridge Dictionary, and it gives me the pronunciation of British and American English. In this series, we are focusing on American pronunciation. The next word is was. Was. For. For. On. On. Are. Are. With. With. As. As. I. His. His. To perfect the pronunciation of these words and to be able to use them correctly in your daily language, you will have to practice these words over and over again. It will need a lot of practice. You can perfect your pronunciation. It's hard but not difficult. Let's recap the pronunciation of 10 most frequently used words in English language. He was, for, on, are, with, as, I, his. Thank you for watching. Please leave your feedback in the comment section and I'll see you again. Bye bye.